Hi, this is Danny with Reward Flooring here in Gallagher's beautiful San Jose, California showroom, and I'm here to talk about Gemcore Earth Tiles. Gemcore is our stone composite flooring, which is a great new technology. We are the industry leader in this technology. It's in the rigid composite category, but what makes Gemcore special is that it's over 70% stone, which gives it a superior dent resistance and superior heat stability compared to most of the rigid products that are out there. Within Gemcore, we have a lot of wood looks, but this new earth collection is stone tile and ceramic looks. Gemcore offers a lot of advantages over traditional tile and stone. It's first of all much easier to install. It's a click-together technology, so the planks just lock together, and you can see there's a built-in bevel that gives you the grout line look. Unlike grout in tile and stone, this grout will not discolor. It comes factory sealed. It's very easy to clean. The tile itself is maintained just like ceramic or stone. Just clean it with water or a mild detergent. It will not crack like tile and stone. And the best thing of all is it's super easy to install, so it really lowers the cost of the project in general. The labor doesn't have to be as specialized, and it's just a snap to put together. I'm really excited now about the new Earth XL. These are large format tiles, and the advantages that Gemcore has over traditional ceramic and stone really come into play with these large format tiles, because installing traditional tiles in the large format is extremely difficult, very labor intensive. It's hard to get the levels of the planks right so that you don't have highs and lows, whereas this snaps together smooth and perfect every time. Beautiful new looks. We'll be expanding the color range in this soon, and couldn't be more excited about Gemcore Earth.